Would you like to learn how to clean your couches at home? I feel like this is a commercial. No, this is not a paid commercial. I'm going to be teaching you how to clean your couches at home with a product that you probably already have at home. Hey guys, my name is Mireya. For this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to clean your couches at home. This is a homemade product that I did, just 3 ingredients, and you're going to love them. Do you have dirty couches? Those couches that your kids love to jump on, that someone loves to put their feet on, and your couches get really dirty? Well, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I cleaned my couches. Well, they weren't my couches, but they were my sister's couches. But I'm going to be sharing you how I cleaned her couches, and believe me, I was a little bit iffy about this. I was a bit worried, but her couches turned out great. Let's go on rolling and keep on watching this video. So you're anxious to find out what cleaning products I use to clean the couches? Stay tuned. You're going to be using, in a bowl, you're going to put some water. What I used is I started with hot water, but then I wanted it to be warm water. So I did add a bit of that cold water as well, because I just want it to be warm water for this one. Well, for the purple bowl, it could be hot water. But for the small bowl where we're going to be mixing these 3 ingredients to clean your couches, this water does have to be warm because you're going to be sticking your hands in this mixture for quite a while, other than applying the purple one instead at the moment. In a small bowl, you're going to add half a cup of water, half a cup of vinegar, and you're also going to add some squirts of soap. And the one I'm using is dish soap. I'm just using a little bit, but you can always use as much as you like. I bought this soap at the dollar store, so I'm pretty sure you can find it anywhere where you live. They also have it for sale at Walmart. After that, guys, we're going to mix this up, and we're going to mix it very well. And I think I added a little bit of too much water, so I had to dump some of that water out, and that's what I did. Okay dokie, so once you have mixed all of your DIY at home cleaning products, vinegar, Dawn dish soap, and water, I'm also going to be using a microfiber cloth. I think it's microfiber, I'm not quite sure, but my sister, she bought a whole bunch of these in a big pack at Costco, so she did give me a couple of new ones, so I'm going to be using a new one to be cleaning these couches. So the first thing that I did, guys, I wanted to show you the before, because once you see the after, you're gonna be amazed. And I don't think the camera did justice, but in person, you yourself at home, if you do this at home, you're going to be amazed with the results. So what I did is I just grabbed the dish sponge, and you can use any cloth that you have at home, but I'm using a dish sponge because I felt like this was gonna apply a lot better, and I wanted to use something that was soft because I was afraid to ruin these couches, guys. So what I did is I applied the soap, vinegar, and water with a dish sponge. After that, I kind of rubbed it a bit, and you'll be seeing later on in the videos that at first I was being kind of gentle, but then I'm like, you know what? Let's just keep going. The dish sponge, you could see that it was very dirty. A lot of dirt was on there. So I'm like, yay, this is working. Let's keep going. Look at that, guys. This is a lot of dirt and oil and whatever, all that stuff that your couches accumulate over time. That's just disgusting. I also have another bowl that's with clean water, so I just applied pressure on with the cloth onto the couches, and that's what I started doing at first. And then I would rinse it in that clean water. I would dry it up, do that again, or repeat the steps and apply again the dish cleaning soap, vinegar, and water. I would keep doing that with the dish sponge, and I just repeated these steps. I did want to let you guys know, and I think I mentioned this in the beginning, But if you're new to this, if this is the first time that you're cleaning your couches at home, I'm not sure what kind of couches you have, but start by cleaning a small area on your couches, maybe a place where it's not that visible. You can do that maybe at the bottom of the couches, on the back of the couches. Just do it at a very small area. Once that has dried, you can put a fan so it dries faster. Once that has dried and you see that it did clean it and it didn't ruin your couches, then keep on going, keep on cleaning maybe a bigger area of your couches, and if everything is all well, then you can keep cleaning the rest of your couches. I don't want you to ruin your couches either by doing this DIY at home cleaning method, but this is what worked for me, and that's why I'm sharing this video with you guys, because this was amazing. If I find something that helps me, I'm gonna share it with you guys, and I'm always gonna be honest with you like I have been throughout all these years. I wouldn't come on here and show you how to clean your couches and ruin them, because I don't want you to come back and be mad at me for ruining your couches. But I am warning you, just try by using just a small bit in a small area of your couches, and if it did work for you, please come back to this video, leave a comment in the comments below, let me know how it worked for you. So let's keep going cleaning the couches. At first what I did is I was cleaning one of the side of the couches, but then I moved on to the next part of the couch, and I noticed, this is so embarrassing guys, I noticed that the couch had a zipper. So I opened the zipper part and I took out the cotton that was inside the couches, and this was so much easier for me to clean the rest of the couches, guys. If you have couches like these, just look at the bottom, make sure there's no zipper. If there is, then it's gonna be so much easier for you to clean all these couches. Midway through cleaning these couches, if you see that the water's too dirty, the water with dish soap, water, and vinegar, please throw that out and make a new batch, because you don't want to be cleaning your couches with all that dirt on the container mixed with the water. You don't want to put all that dirt back in your couches. You want to make a new batch. As you can see here guys, the water is super dirty, so I had to make a new batch. Yes, so make sure that you clean it every now and then. Don't forget to grab another container with clean water, clean warm water, and this is where you're going to be putting your cloth in. This is where you're going to be rinsing it. This water again was really dirty, so I had to grab some clean water, and then I continued on to clean the rest of the couches. I was like, yay, this is cleaning them. Look at the cloth guys, this used to be a clean yellow cloth. You can see all the dirt that's on this cloth. Look at that, it looks black. Yeah, I kept going, and the next day they were very dry. What we did is we put a couple of fans on the couches because we wanted them to dry overnight. So we left the fans on. During the day we did leave the doors open just so the couches could air dry a bit and so they wouldn't smell or anything like that. This is what we did, and one thing that I did forget to mention is the cotton inside the couches, the one that was able to take out. I left that to air dry outside in the sun, so that dried off pretty quick. For the couch pillows, or the ones you sit on, I don't know what they're called, but those, they have zippers on, so those were washed in the washer with regular soap. That has never been an issue to wash that part of the couches. Okay guys, so now that you learned how to clean couches, make sure that you come back to this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if it worked for you. Come and leave a comment below and tell me if this helped you clean your couches at home. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video where I'm going to be sharing with you all of these cleaning tips, tricks, home organization videos. So make sure you subscribe. Turn your notification bells, that way you get notified of all the upcoming videos that I'm going to be sharing with you. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.